Hello, this is Moodle MOOC 10 and we are on the site moodleforteachers.org. We will be exploring about my profile under Moodle MOOC 10. So let's first log in to our profile. Here I'm logging in with my Google email ID that I have used to sign up or register for the Moodle MOOC 10. I have successfully logged into my profile and I am at the dashboard of my profile. So here I can see the course that I am enrolled for, that is Moodle MOOC 10, which is for 50 hours. About my profile, so right on the right top I can see my profile, and as I hover the mouse over my profile, my name, there is a drop down menu that appears. So first item in this menu is my name, that is my profile. So let's dive down into it. Alright, here is my profile section. As we can see from the breadcrumbs that this is the profile section, which specifies my name, and under the user details we can see the details about me that I've already added to my profile. That is the country I am from, India, city that I belong to, that is New Delhi, and my Skype ID, and a little bit about me. Under the user details, I have a section here that displays the badges. So these are all the badges that I have earned on various other Moodle courses on moodleforteachers.org. From here we get an option to edit profile. So once I click on edit profile, I am redirected to a page where I can make any changes that I would want to do. For example, changing the name. We cannot make changes to the email address because that is basically the user ID on the website or on the course through which you are identified. So that remains unique, and the other details that I have already added in here. Then there comes in the user picture. If you want to upload a new picture, you can drag and drop it here in this section. Delete the previous one. Additional names. So here we can add other names that we would want to properly add to the profile. Interests and other optional details, that is your ID on Skype, Yahoo, MSN, and a whole lot of details that you would want to share on your profile. And then there is a brief description that you can add, which I have already done. So in case you make any changes, you want to make any changes to your profile, you can do it from here and click on update profile, which will update your profile on the site. One of the very useful features here is the time zone. So if you specify the time zone, then the upcoming events, the live events that will be held all throughout the course will appear in your specific time zone. So you really do not need to convert the time zone from the specified ones. The time will be displayed as per your time zone, which really comes in handy so that you do not miss on any of the live events. Next, when we go to our profile, the next menu item is preferences, and under preferences we have an option to go to user. So when you click on user, we are redirected to preferences for a whole lot of things again, wherein we have the option to edit profile. That is what we just saw. preferred language. So in case you need to change your language preference for Moodle, you can change it from here. Forum preferences. So these are basically preferences, as in how you can customize the entire setup according to your choices and preferences. So these are certain pre-specified preferences for the forum posts. Like for example, forum auto subscribe. Yes, when I post, subscribe me to that forum discussion. In case you do not want to be subscribed, you can check it from here, but it is always advisable to be subscribed because that keeps you updated with the chain of messages that are being exchanged on the forum. Next we go back, and then is the editor preference, course preferences, calendar preferences. There are a lot of other preferences that you can check out from here. Similarly for blogs, batches. Next we have messages. So when we go to messages, we can see the messages that we have received, and these are some of the messages that I have received here from Dr. Nelly, and these were from my other co-participants in other courses that I have previously attended. Next is forum posts. This basically helps you check what all posts that you have written on different forums. Discussions. These are the discussions that you have written. So basically this is one of the discussion that I added in one of the forum. So that is what is appearing here. So you can basically, this comes in handy if you want to keep a track of your activity in the forum posts, discussions, and messages and others. Then come to badges. Badges again would display all the badges that you've earned so far in all the courses, and you can download all of them from here and save it for any future reference maybe, or you can add them to backpack account. These are kind of feel-good factors because when you get a badge for completing an activity, you really feel a sense of accomplishment, and it helps you keep going through with the course with full enthusiasm. So these badges are actually pretty motivating, apart from the fact that they really are worth it. They have a lot of value because you can use them across platforms and display them as your accomplishments. So this is by and large what we have under my profile, and that's all for this video. Thank you very much.